These flying human videos are going absolutely viral every single day, and this Instagram page has gained 648,000 followers just by uploading this exact style of content. Their top 2 videos are already hitting 9.9 million and 30.6 million views. Now watch what I just created with AI for completely free. I am going to show you the exact method right now. Make sure you have subscribed because we are starting immediately. Open ChatGPT and click on Explore GPTs. Search for Flying Human Generator and click on the first result. Open the GPT and click Start the Generator. In seconds, it will provide you 10 viral flying human concepts to choose from. And if none of them feel right, you can describe your own idea or simply type more to get fresh concepts instantly. I am going with number 9. Hit enter, and in seconds, ChatGPT provides you 1 image prompt and 1 video prompt. Everything you need is right here. Copy the image prompt and head over to Google Flow. Select the image option. Choose the number of outputs and your desired model. Paste the prompt in and hit enter. In seconds, your images will be right in front of you. Now choose the one that looks the most realistic and engaging. Click the 3 dots and choose Animate. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt. But here's the trick that makes this video look so much better than anything you have seen before. Do not paste the full video prompt at once. Cut the last paragraph of the video prompt separately. Paste everything except the last paragraph first and hit enter. In seconds, Google Flow will generate a realistic flying human video scene for you. Now click on the Extend option and paste that last paragraph of the video prompt in and hit enter. This extend step is what takes your video from a short clip to a full, smooth, and cinematic flying sequence that feels completely natural from start to finish. Your full video clip is now ready. Click download and choose full video. Now bring the clip into any video editor you like. Scale it up slightly so the VO watermark is completely hidden and hit export. Your flying human video is completely ready to go viral on social media. And now watch another one I created using the exact same method. Same process, completely different concept, another viral video ready to post in minutes. Subscribe for more tutorials like this, drop a like if this helped, and I will see you in the next one.